What the fuck? Plankton, you just ran me over with your shitty Honda Civic!
Squidward, are you okay?
No, I'm not fucking okay. My neck is broken and my head is bleeding!
Oh, boo-hoo! Cry me a river, Squiddy!
Hey guys! What's going on?
Oh no! Squidward got it by Plankton's car.
That's fucked up! We should call an ambulance.
You need to get Squidward some help.
Meow, meow, meow.
Hold on, everyone! I'll save you, Squidward.
No, Mr. Krabs, don't open the
Too
door!
late. My balls are stuck in the car door.
This is priceless. The mighty Mr. Krabs brought down by his own greed and stupidity.
This isn't funny at all. Someone please help them both.
Hey, SpongeBob! Let's just sit here and watch them suffer instead of actually doing something useful.
Shut up, Patrick! We need to figure out how to get them unstuck from each other without causing more damage.
Why this is such a mess? Why can't we have one normal day in Bikini Bottom?
Looks like my plan worked perfectly after all. Now if only I could find a way to steal that damn Krabby Patty formula.
Right?
Say,
Guys just don't get it. It's a masterpiece.